Hi, I'm Tashya Garoutte, Artistic Design Team Member with ANZA Healing Hair Care, and I'm here with Yulia, and we're going to be discussing our emergency service today. So let's go ahead and get started. So now that we washed Yulia with our Keratin Healing Oil shampoo, we're going to go ahead and use our Part A. So the purpose of emergency service is that it actually rebuilds the structure of the hair with self-assembling peptides that help grow the internal structure of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take 2 to 3 pumps of Part A and apply it thoroughly through Julia's hair. I'm going to start at the ends and work my way up. I'm going to put a processing cap on her, and we're going to put her under the dryer for 10 minutes under medium heat. After processing for 10 minutes under the dryer, we take her to the bowl and we rinsed really thoroughly, and we've put her up in this towel to towel dry her hair. Now we're gonna apply our cream here. We're gonna use about 2 to 3 pumps. We're gonna start at the bottom and we're gonna work our way up. Now that we've worked in Part B, we can go ahead and comb it. After this process, we can go ahead and use any of the styling aids that we would like to get her styled. An important note for your client is that they wouldn't want to wash it for up to 48 hours because it's still doing the job inside of the hair.